All right, here we go. Got the wolf out again with the 325 grain POWERBELT ELRs. What we're doing here is did that expansion test, water catch kind of, water expansion with the 100 grain charge. We're going to see what the difference is doing it with the full 150 grain charge, if there's any better expansion on the bullet or not at about 50 yards. So y'all stick around and see how it all goes by. Good God. Well, I needed a new water jug rail anyways. Hopefully we can find the bullet. I don't expect much on this one, guys. Let's see what we got. Here we go. We got it. Alright, here we go. Here is what is left of the 325 grain POWERBELT ELR. Definitely got a lot better expansion compared to the last time. It really, this flattened out a lot more than the last bullet. I don't know if I've got the other bullet here with. That is from the last time. See, it's copper core in there going on, but well, not a whole lot of difference. But let's see. Let's get some measurements on it. That was in one of the water jugs. All the little shrapnel pieces right there. But we got. I'm not gonna do the little shard on the end. I'm gonna go with the big, with the mass body on it. We got 0.62 going on, and then last time at the 100 grain charge, 0.57 going on there. But if you do go the full everything on there, you got 0.7, almost 3/4 of an inch. And then this one flattened out to 0.38. These are 50 cals. 0.38, but not that way. 0.38, and that flattened down to 0.45. There's a big difference on there. And again, that's how the bullet started out, and that's what we got left out of the bullet. Basically, everything up here, the cone, that's all hollow point. I mean, that is a monster hollow point. So that's another reason why it probably breaks up the way it does on there. Let's get. Yeah, so it flattened down to that. I mean, if you go, yeah. All right, it's about 3/4 of an inch, and it flattened down to basically half, a little less than half. But yeah, that's it. Let's see what we got left on the weight retention from a 325. All right, on the body itself, the big one, we got 177.3. That's on the 150 grain. On the 100 grain charge, we got 192. What we got left in the water jug overall was about 88 grains of bullet right there. Plus, if we throw in the big chunk, we're at trying to block it. We're at 264, somewhere in there, 265 grains left over out of 325 altogether. Yeah, it explodes. Like I said, I mean, with this big of a bullet, it really don't matter what it does on the inside, because that's just gonna tear everything up, as y'all seen. Drop that dough and left a big hole in it. So that's it. That is the difference between 150 grain and 100 grain charge right there. Thanks for watching.